Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best broom holders that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DiGiCare Broom Hanger, Wall Mount Mop Organizer. This is a great wall mount broom holder that helps you to store brooms and mops safe after utilization. They usually make your room to look tidy and will organize them in a small area. You can use this broom holder in your garden, bathroom, laundry room, and any other place. Besides that, it is made of durable plastic and can hold the weight of up to 35 pounds. The organizer features 6 hooks that are ideal for hanging small stuff, for example hats, bags, brushes, etc. It also features 5 ball slots that can be able to hold things like rakes, broom, and other tools effectively. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mop and Broom Holder Stainless Steel Wall Mount Mop Holders. For the safety of the mop and broom, it is always good to have a holder that will organize them perfectly. This mop holder is the best one to choose because it is made of stainless steel that makes it durable and sturdy. On top of that, it has 2 ways to install. You can either choose self-adhesive or screws drilling whenever you want to set up the broom holder. It is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use and can be used to store rakes, brooms, mops and other tools. It usually comes with 18 months warranty, thus it will serve you for a long time. At number 3, we have the Exttlliy 304 Stainless Steel Hanger Racks Broom Holder Organizer. For a lasting or long-term service, get yourself this broom holder that is made of durable stainless steel. It will enable you to hang heavy brooms and mops and other things. Its hooks are made with rubber materials that will make it not slip the items. On top of that, it works perfectly by organizing your brushes, brooms, mops and more in a small space. The hooks are made with S-style design and it will enable the blooms to be stable and features a damping technology that usually prevents slippery as well as reducing vibration. At number 2, we have the Auwey Mop Broom Holder Storage Rack Hook Gripper Slot. Do you require a versatile and strong holder for mops and brooms that will provide convenient storage? Auwey Mop Holder works perfectly and features rolling balls that automatically adjust in order to hold any thickness of the brooms. Furthermore, it incorporates 6 hooks and 5 slots that will help to hang more items. Ideally, it is simple to install and it will help you to tidy up your room by organizing the tools. Furthermore, it has a space-saving design. It can be used to organize your yard and garden tools. It can be used in office, closet, kitchen, and commercial usage. And finally, at number 1, we have the LETMY Broom and Mop Hanger Holder. With its 6 hooks and 5 ball slots, it makes it a multi-purpose mop holder best in the market. It is simple to install and it comes with an instructions guide on how to install it. Thanks to its double rubber slot because it ensures that the tools do not slip after you hang them. As a matter of fact, the sturdy hooks are foldable and come with a unique design that makes it simple to hang on. The broom holder has a space-saving design and can be used in garden, garage, closet, and basement, and it will ensure that your room is organized. Each hook can hold up to 3 kilograms. Moreover, it comes with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.